Hello, this tutorial is designed to introduce you to the homepage of ClinEpiDB, the clinical epidemiology database for global infectious disease research studies. ClinEpiDB belongs to a family of databases that fall under the UPathDB umbrella. The ClinEpiDB homepage can be divided into two sections. At the top is the header section, and below are 3 rows of panels that allow you to access the data in ClinEpiDB in different ways. The header is present on all web pages and is designed to provide you with quick access to almost all of the available tools and resources from any page. The logo provides a quick link back to the home page. It also displays a database version number and date of release. You can also access helpful information, contact us, log into your account, or register from the header section. Send us your comments, concerns, suggestions, or questions. You will get a response. Logging into your account allows you to access your previously run searches and use features like My Basket and My Favorites. If you already have a UPathDB account, you can use the same login for ClinEpiDB. Registering for an account is quick and easy and requires minimal information. The toolbar provides access to new study searches, a workspace for your saved and public search strategies, and community resources. Hovering over any of these items will bring up a drop-down menu that allows you to navigate to your desired destination. Below the header section, you will find 3 rows of different panels we'll refer to as cards. The first row contains 1 card for each study that is available to you in ClinEpiDB. The PRISM card, for example, provides a brief description of the study and the types of data that are contained within the database. If you click on Study Details, you will go to a page that describes the PRISM study design, methodology, and important characteristics that will help you to fully understand the data from the PRISM study. On the bottom portion of the card, you can see that there are 4 different icons that represent the data available to you at different levels: participants, households, observations, and light traps. By clicking on one of the icons, you can search the data at different levels. For example, clicking on the participants icon will allow you to view and search the data about participants that were enrolled in the study, and the results table will display 1 row per study participant. Alternatively, if you click on the observations icon, while you are still able to view and search data about participants, the results table will display 1 row per clinical observation, and each participant may have many rows of clinical observations. The second row of cards contains search strategies that have been saved and made public by other ClinEpiDB users. These strategies may be a complex series of search functions that are now easily accessible for repeated exploration or download. They also provide interesting examples of the types of questions you can ask the data that is contained within the database. The last row of cards contains links and examples of our different analysis tools. These analysis tools provide information like distributions of variables by different strata, summaries of clinical observations over time, or contingency analyses of categorical data that allow you to view possible associations between different variables. This tutorial is designed to introduce you to the home page of ClinEpiDB. Please click around and explore the site. Thank you for watching, and remember to contact us with questions or comments.